bring you fire.
Hi guys, today I'm going to talk to you about how to make you a fire. Step 1, you get your fire pit so that the fire doesn't burn the ground. This is a special fire pit because it's metal and it can't burn. Step 2, you get your kindling. Kindling is bits of moss, dried up grass, or little bits of dried up wood. You need the little bits of dried up wood to get the fire going. Step 3. After the kindling's burnt, you put bigger bits of wood on, so to get the fire going, to make it bigger and hotter. Fire needs oxygen, heat and fuel. Step 4. Eventually, you put the biggest piece of wood on. This means that the fire will stay hotter and eventually it will also turn into coal. Now I'm going to start the fire. So this is a striker. It's when you strike two pieces of metal together, it creates a spark, like that. So now I'm going to strike it onto our kindling. Get some cotton wool. So there. Now the kindling is burning, I am putting on the big twigs. I am breaking the twigs so that they burn easily. We made this fire in John O'Groats, which is the most northeast point of the UK. It is very windy, which is good for the fire because fire needs oxygen. We are in a campsite. Now I am putting the biggest piece of wood on and still putting on the little twigs on the side. This is how the fire looks from underneath. And this is how you make a fire. Thanks for watching.